Time to make the payroll. Damn it. Dude. What happened to you?
I was driving down the road. Stupid steering's messed up in the car. Dog pulls out in front of me. I go to swerve, totally lose it. Ass end gets loose, and I flew off into a ditch.
Dude, we're shooting for the TV show. Say wrecked him.
Wrecked him? Damn near killed him.
Alright guys, we're talking steering systems today, and I have the two main steering types right here on the bench. We've got a rack and pinion and a recirculating ball gearbox. We're going to break these apart and show you how they work. This is your input shaft from your steering wheel, and this is what spins the pitman arm, which turns your wheels. So I'm going to spin this here, and you can see right here that it is spinning. This is your cap. This right here adjusts the mesh of the worm gear to the sector gear. I'll show you that here in a second. I'm going to pull this cap off. This is the main component of the recirculating ball steering system. So this is basically just a 4-tooth rack of gears, and that rides on the sector gear inside the housing. This is your sector shaft. This hooks to your pitman arm. Now this rides on the rack gear here. As this spins, it walks just like that. Where it gets interesting is inside this box. This is another gear altogether. We have a worm gear, and inside these little tubes are a bunch of ball bearings. That's where this system gets its name, Recirculating Balls. Now, I'm going to hold this, and I'm going to start spinning this gear. And you can see what's happening. The balls ride in this groove, and they come up this hole, down this hole, and then out that hole. When the system is new, the ball bearings have a lot of grease between them, so they're very tight. And when you turn one direction or the other, they simply move and operate the system. Over time, as that grease breaks down and thins out, the ball bearings end up with gaps between them. So when you want to turn one direction, the ball bearings have to tighten up that gap so that it will move, and that leaves you with free play at your steering wheel. These systems are rebuildable. It's not a big deal. You can pack them with new grease, but there is a better way. Has this ever happened to you?
Oh, greasy hands, not again. How am I ever gonna get this out? Gojo scrubbing wipes?
Fabric shop towels just move the mess around. They don't actually get anything clean. Bar soap requires water and doesn't always cut the grease. Gojo scrubbing wipes remove the toughest tar, grease, and adhesives, and no water is needed. Plus, they contain skin conditioners to help prevent dryness and irritation that leads to cracked hands.
Thanks, Gojo scrubbing wipes. Now my wife will let me back in the house.
Get Gojo Mojo, so you'll be good to go and not dirty. with grease.
Gojo, para limpiar por manos.
This is Red Dirt Country. Home of cut-off shorts, sleeveless shirts, and 40-pound ham sandwiches. Around here, we say things like worsher, ole, and sweet buttered toast. Sometimes we jump out of cars for no particularly good reason. So if you got a hankering for some down and dirty redneck hot rod action, get on down to Red Dirt, reddirtrodz.com. It's not just a website, it's a way of life.